Oh, big strip. Big strip. Okay, back up. Back up. Back up. What's up, buddy? Who's that? Alright. So yeah, we slapped the kit on. We wanted to see how much angle we could get out of it with the stock rack, and to also see how bad the Ackerman was, because I mean, we knew it'd probably be a little bit off, but we were hoping we didn't have to move the rack forward. So turns out we do have to move the rack forward, unfortunately. So I don't know, we like to get about an inch or so. I mean, 25, it's supposed to do 25 mil, maybe more. So yeah, I'll just cut this section out here, just kind of see what we're working with. Gonna probably drill out those welds, spot welds, get rid of that old plate, and then we'll create a new plate and weld it in. We were gonna probably do it this way, or we can pull the motor out, delete the firewall, reinforce it. That's what Alex did. He did it the right way. We're gonna try and do it the time efficient way. We'll see. The master has to come out anyway, so I'm gonna do an ABS delete while it's there. Got that bolt out. Master is free. Now I just gotta loosen off that lock nut that I cracked before. There's a fucking on. There it is. Just gotta loosen this guy off and it'll come right out. Oh, that's messy. Let's clean this shit up. It's messy. Don't worry about it. Alright, so I'm going to take out the bolt, cut down here now. Oh, okay, okay. I don't know where that was before. Alright, this thing is pretty much cut. Alright, so yeah, this hump is kind of annoying, depending on how far we have to move the rack. So, I don't know, we might have to chop that out, flatten it, depending on how far we want to go, but whatever, it's ready to go. Just gonna make a couple holes, do a test run, see where it's best to run the rack for the best Ackerman and most angle. But I don't know, we'll figure it out. Oh yeah. Alright, so we did a test. We moved it about, I don't know, it's like 33 millimeters or something. And it actually worked. We got more angle. So I'm just throwing in some, it has adjustable Ackerman with these plates here. Just throwing in some of the offset ones instead of the center. It seems like that'll help out right now. I don't know, might have to change it again. But yeah, slapping those in, we're going to see what angle we're working with. First move the rack. Here, I'll go to this side. move the rack first, an inch and a half. That's an inch and a half, and gave us a bunch more angle, but the rack's still bound up on us, so there's more to go. We brought it forward about as far as we can go without getting rid of the whole firewall. We're just trying to make a plate that just goes right on top here. Trying to save a little bit of time. So we moved it again another ½ inch. So it's 2 inches exactly right now, which is just a little over 5 centimeters. And that gave us a ton of angle. It's ridiculous. Like on this side now, we are looking at about 73 degrees. The rack isn't completely center right now, but so I might lose a little bit. It might be 68 degrees on each side or something, but it's ridiculous. So the suspension is loaded at pretty much ride height right now. All right, so you got to make a little access cut that out, drill out the spot welds, and then just air chisel the stock plate right out. So now we're just making a new plate because you know, took out the OEM plate, so gonna make a little reinforcement plate. It's gonna be something like that. Gonna shape it a little bit to the firewall there. Back up. Come on. Come on. Stay. Alright, so the other side is cut and welded. Now I'm just cutting out the plates for the other side. So just cut the back piece. Alright, so now just got to line up the rack using the old thigh to line it up. So it looks like I think we're lined up. Very good. Okay. Can you turn it? Okay. Turn it all the way this way. You can do it. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, don't look at that. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. Is that everything?
Some more.
No, that's all of it, I think. Alright. That's what I'm looking like this way. Okay, now go the other way. Keep going. That's all of it.